Close your eyes and imagine that you are standing at the edge of a vast, peaceful landscape. Nothing demands your attention here. Nothing chases you. Nothing expects anything from you. The sky is wide. Soft clouds drift slowly, as if time itself has decided to rest. With each breath, you feel yourself stepping out of the outside world and gently into your inner world. This place exists only for you. You begin walking along a quiet path. The ground beneath your feet adjusts perfectly to support you. Each step releases weight you didn't realize you were carrying. As you walk, you notice that every exhale causes the world around you to become softer, calmer, slower. Trees lean gently towards you, as if acknowledging your courage for arriving here. This path has appeared many times before, whenever healing was ready. The path opens into a wide valley, in the center of a lake, which is still and perfectly calm. The surface reflects the sky without distortion. This lake represents your emotional body, not broken, not damaged, just waiting to settle. You sit beside the water and notice ripples slowly smoothing themselves out, without effort, without force. You realize something important. The water does not need to be told how to become calm. Now notice that beside you is a backpack. You didn't choose to wear it, but you have been carrying it for a long time. Inside are stones, each one representing emotions that were never fully released. Fear, grief, shock, disappointment, shame. You don't open the stones. You don't relive anything. You simply acknowledge, I have carried this long enough. One by one, you gently place the stones into the lake. As each stone touches the water, it dissolves into light. The lake absorbs them effortlessly because this place knows how to neutralize pain. A warm breeze moves through the valley. This wind represents the body's natural release response. It moves through your chest, your shoulders, your belly. Wherever tension once lived, the wind loosens it, unties it, and carries it away like old leaves. You don't need to push it out. The wind knows where to go. Ahead, a structure appears. Not a building, but a sanctuary made of light and stone. Inside, there is complete safety. This sanctuary represents your regulated nervous system, As you step inside, your body recognizes something familiar. This is how safety feels. Your heartbeat slows, your breath deepens, your muscles soften. This place touches your subconscious, a new baseline of calm. Now the sanctuary opens into a garden. Fresh soil, new growth, clear space. This is where new emotional patterns take root. You plant seeds of calm, trust, resilience, self-compassion. You don't rush their growth. The subconscious understands timing. Healing grows quietly. The scene gently fades, but the feeling stays. You carry the calm back into your body, into your day, into your life. Before returning fully, your inner world offers a final message. You are not broken. You adapted, and now you are allowed to rest. Slowly, you return, grounded, lighter, safe. You may return to this journey anytime because your inner landscape will always remember the way back to peace.